Hi, this is Anil and we are here at the Oracle Open World Conference and Oracle CodeOne Conference. And as you can see behind me, we are here in the Groundbreakers Hub where they are demoing some of the coolest open source technologies that are being developed by Oracle. So let's go and meet Stephen Chin, who is going to show us some of these coolest demos ever. So let's go and meet Stephen.
Okay, so this first experience is chatbot with the Pepper robots. Pepper is a robot created by SoftBank in Japan. It's really great for doing human interactions, and we have it connected to our Oracle Digital Assistant technology. Here you can see attendees interacting with Pepper, so they can talk to it, give it commands, get back information about the schedule, ask it to interact with them. So it's a lot of fun for attendees, and it's a great example of chatbot technology in action. Okay, so here we have our hyper-personalized manufacturing demo. This is showing an example of how you can customize different things in industries. So, you can pick your shoelaces or your style of running shoes. Why can't you pick, your own type of coaster? So here we have an example of personalized drink coasters. You enter in the type of template that you want, the design you want on it, and then your information to customize it. It goes through and picks out the right template from a few preset designs we've cut on the laser cutter. It pops it onto a conveyor belt. There's a second etching laser cutter here where we etch on personal details. It does quality control of the final product to make sure it's exactly what the individual requested. And then you get to go home with a personalized item built here at the conference. This is the same technology that we have software as a service applications to help large industries handle personalization of all sorts of items. We're here at the Oracle Cloud DJ. So this is an experience where we have a live DJ who's not just using a mixer, he's using coding as a way of controlling the music. This is powered by SonicPi. We use a special Docker image which deploys to Oracle Cloud and lets attendees do this on top of our cloud trials. And Sam Aaron flew out from the UK and is live mixing all day here at the Groundbreaker Hub. SonicPi is a great way for teaching kids to program. So actually a lot of the folks using this technology are using it for educational purposes to teach kids how to do basic programming in an interactive and fun way. And also for us geeks who can code, this lets us do cool music as well. So if you ever wanted to be a musician and you just didn't have the keyboard skills, now you can be a live DJ as well. Okay, so we're here at our Matrix photo booth. This is an example of technology where we have 60 Raspberry Pi cameras. They each take an image. The images are uploaded to the Oracle Cloud, and then we compose a video, which is put out on social media. This was used for our keynote last year. We did a Matrix community keynote, and it shows an example of how you can take technology, you can compose cool interactive demo experiences, and then power it with Oracle Cloud technology in the background. You can see one of our attendees is setting up with some Thor hammer props. He's going to pose, and then we're going to take a quick photo of him from 360 degrees, and then he'll get this as a memento of his experience in the Groundbreaker Hub. All right, so we're here in one of our escape rooms, and basically you press the green button on the outside, the curtain closes, and then you have 10 minutes to solve one of these challenges. In this particular escape room, this is Duke themed. Duke's the mascot of Java at Oracle CodeOne. And you have to figure out how to turn on the monitor. Part of that trick involves finding some dismembered fingers in the fridge. We have a fingerprint reader here, so you can guess what you do with these. We have a power box here, which also powers a bunch of this. And then that helps you to solve some codes, which then lets you disarm this bomb here. So this is not a real bomb, of course. But the moment you open the case, the timer starts ticking down, and you have to quickly figure out which wire is the right one to disconnect before it explodes on you.
So the blue wire and the red wire, right?
Exactly. So I'm not going to tell you which one it is. You have to try the escape room yourself to figure it out.
If you fail, what happens? What will happen? If it doesn't explode, what will?
If it doesn't explode, it'll just tell you that, countdown's over, and then you can try again from the beginning. All this is designed to be quickly reset up, so when the attendee is done, we have little tricks and magnets to reset the room. You can exit and then enter and try again. So it's a lot of fun for attendees. There are a bunch of folks here at Oracle CodeOne who have successfully solved the escape room. And we have a second one, which is superhero themed. So this is a great way for attendees to learn about technology in a fun, interactive way. Okay, so we're here at the blockchain beer demo. This is an example of using Oracle Blockchain Cloud Service technology to apply to a practical problem. So we worked in collaboration with a local brewery, Alpha Acid. We got all of their suppliers, the local hops, malt, and yeast supplier in the Bay Area to contribute to a distributed blockchain. And also we instrumented the Alpha Acid brewery with IoT sensors to capture pressure and temperature. And attendees can find out about their beer by scanning the barcode on a sticker. This brings back a website which has all the information on the 4 beers which we're serving here, so that they can see exactly where the ingredients came from, the temperature and the pressure under the brew process, and the distribution here to Oracle CodeOne. So this is a great example of blockchain technology actually being applied to a real use case to brew beer. Yeah, so the way we're using blockchain in this example is, this is so you can have each of the suppliers can have complete control over their data. It's a private blockchain. They can choose what information that they share. It also gives you a lot of control. For example, if you needed to do a recall, then you'd know exactly which batch it came from. You could recall the exact product set which was affected by an upstream issue. And it provides transparency to the end user. So we can choose what information gets shared to consumers and then supply that information through, for example, the online website, which is powered by digital blockchain technology.
And you also said that you are using a lot of IoT technologies for pressure and sensors. So is that also leveraging blockchain, or it's totally different?
So the blockchain used for this is part of our Oracle Track and Trace, Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace product line. The same team also develops our Oracle Production Management and Asset Management services. Those are the 2 services used to collect data from the IoT sensors, and then that gets piped into our Oracle Intelligent Track and Trace application built using Oracle Blockchain Cloud Service.
I hope you enjoyed those demos. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you next time. Bye for now.